In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 361 by 5 using the long division method. See that 3 is less than 5. That is why we will consider the number 36. We know that 5 times 7 is 35. And this number 35 is closer to 36. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this number 1 here. And we know that 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 5, but we have no number to bring down here. So in this case, we will borrow 1 0, and for that, we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, we get 0. Therefore, 361 divided by 5 is equal to 72.2. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.